już taki charakter, że zawsze usiłują być
Cockatoo's nature make them always be dominant. They always want to impose their will on others. Therefore, we need to remember to bring up Cockatoo baby in an appropriate way from the very beginning, as soon as it arrives at our home, in order to deprive it of negative character traits, certainly negative from our point of view. It will help us to make a cockatoo a lovely pet. There is a hierarchy in the parrot flock. Stronger and smarter individuals hold a higher position in it. It is demonstrated by taking the uppermost branches. Parrots treat their guardian as their flock member. That is why, at our home, they also want to gain a privileged position. There is also a hierarchy in dog packs, but it is totally different. Dogs have only one leader, and the rest of pack members are subordinated to it and do not compete with it. If a dog's guardian doesn't make a manifest training error, he will automatically become a leader. Parrots always try to use any chance to dominate. Please remember, this refers to all parrots, but especially cockatoos. We cannot allow them to stay above our heads, specifically at the beginning, when a parrot arrives at our home. It's because parrots, which hold higher position in the spatial sense, are convinced that they also dominate us physically and mentally. So if we let them stay right there, they will always try to subjugate all persons who are in the space below their level.
Absolutnie nie wolno pozwolić, aby kakadu wchodziły nam na głowę.
Never let cockatoos climb your head.